It seems these days I'm always rushing about trying to keep up with the natural world. You know, if I could borrow just a fraction of the speed these next animals have, I'd never be late again. Speaking of speed demons, today we're diving headfirst into the animal kingdom's fast lane to meet the creatures who've truly mastered the art of going fast. Buckle up, because we're about to count down the top 5 fastest animals in the world, and trust me, you won't want to miss a millisecond. Now if you're looking for speed, look no further than the magnificent peregrine falcon. This feathered jet fighter isn't just quick, it's in a whole different league. Imagine plummeting from the sky at over 240 miles per hour. That's faster than most bullet trains, and they have the audacity to call it hunting. I've seen these birds snatch pigeons from midair with such precision and speed, it's enough to make your head spin. They say cheetahs are fast on land, but the peregrine falcon? It makes them look like they're stuck in first gear, honestly. Ah, the cheetah, the sprinter of the savannah. Now I've seen Usain Bolt run, and let me tell you, this cat puts on just as impressive a show. They can hit a top speed of 75 miles per hour, leaving their prey in a cloud of dust. Imagine trying to outrun a cheetah, you'd need a head start and a rocket booster. They're practically blurring the lines between standing still and teleporting. Now here's an animal that takes its need for speed quite seriously. The pronghorn antelope is a true marathon runner of the animal kingdom. They've been clocked at speeds over 60 miles per hour. And here's the real kicker, they can maintain that speed for longer than a cheetah can even dream of. Legend has it that they evolved to outrun a now extinct American cheetah. Talk about holding on to a grudge. Even today, with no natural predators that can match their pace, these antelopes still live life in the fast lane. Now we're diving into the deep end, literally. Meet the sailfish, a creature that could give Michael Phelps a run for his money. Well, swim for his money, that is. These underwater acrobats can reach speeds of up to 70 miles per hour, turning the ocean into their own personal racetrack. Imagine trying to keep up with a sailfish. You'd need gills, fins, and a whole lot of luck. They're like torpedoes with good table manners, if you ask me. Ah, the greyhound. Now I know what you're thinking, David, old boy, surely there's a mistake. This sleek canine isn't as fast as the others. And you'd be right in a way. But don't let their 5th place ranking fool you, these dogs are no slouches. They can hit a top speed of 45 miles per hour, leaving most of us humans eating their dust. Bred for speed and agility, they're the Ferraris of the canine world. So, while they might not outpace a cheetah or a falcon, they're still a force to be reckoned with on the racetrack. And there you have it, the top 5 fastest animals on Earth. These incredible creatures remind us that speed is a matter of perspective. What seems impossibly fast to us is just another day in the life of a peregrine falcon or a cheetah. So the next time you're out for a run, imagine trying to keep up with one of these speed demons. It's enough to make you want to trade your running shoes for a good book and a comfy chair, wouldn't you agree? Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and race to the comments section to tell us which of these speedsters left you most impressed.